So now we're going to take one off on this side by knitting two together, and on this side by slide, slide, and knit. So let's do that. So I am going to knit until I have 2 stitches from the middle one. Yeah, that's the middle one right there, and I have these 2 stitches, and if I knit these 2 stitches together, I take off 1 stitch and it's slanted toward the right. So now I'm going to knit the middle one, and I am going to do a slide, slide, knit, which is taking off 1 stitch slanted to the left. So you pass and you pass to your right hand needle. Put your left hand needle in front of those 2 stitches and knit them together through the back. So now you eliminated one, but it's slanted toward the left. And that's the difference between knit two together or slide, slide, knit.